guys, today we are pulling out the Instant Pot. We are going to make some beef and rice. So I've got 3 cups of jasmine rice that I have washed, and you want to wash it until your water runs clear, or you could really get into some foamy situations with your Instant Pot. Now, that being said, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Then I'm going to add a couple of beef bouillon cubes. Throw the lid on, hit the rice button, and we're going to start cooking. Okay, here we go. So, we have begun. Back in a few. Okay, so the rice has got done. Put about 4 pounds of stew meat almost, 4 cups of water, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, and a couple of beef bouillon cubes. So we're going to get our lid on and get this meat to cooking. Okay, so we're going to put our meat on 30 minutes. So here we go. Okay, so our meat's done. It's looking good. So now we're going to get ready to add our rice and the rest of our ingredients. Okay, so here's what we got going on. We're going to empty 2 packages of brown gravy mix into this pot of meat and leftover liquid. Set that to the side. Then I'm going to come in here and mix it around. Give it a good old stir. Get it all mixed up. Then I'm going to come back in and I'm about to add my rice. Okay, so we got the rice added. Give that a stir and let it mix in. I'm going to let it hang out for a while. Then we might add some more salt and pepper. But it's almost dinner time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe. We will catch you later.